Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add prepaid card to Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Cash App on your mobile phone. If you're using a web browser, simply log in with your credentials. Once you're inside your account, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Next, scroll down and find the Linked Banks section. Here, tap on the option to Link Debit Card. Now, enter your prepaid card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code. Make sure your prepaid card is supported. Cash App typically accepts prepaid cards from major networks like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover, but only if they support online transactions. Some prepaid cards don't allow transfers or peer-to-peer payments, which can cause them to be rejected. After entering your details, tap Add Card and then Continue. Cash App will verify the card instantly in most cases. If everything is correct, your prepaid card will be successfully linked. However, if your card isn't accepted, it could be because the prepaid card doesn't support instant transfers or isn't compatible with Cash App. If you continue to face issues, consider contacting your card issuer to confirm whether your prepaid card supports these features. You can also go to the support section inside Cash App, start a chat, and explain your problem to get further assistance. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add prepaid card to Cash App. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.